All right, everyone, let's take our seats, settle down. Good afternoon, everybody. It's great to be here with all of you. And I know we've been planning this company-wide meeting for months, and as your CEO, I would like to thank you all for participating today. So let's begin by talking about our client base and how we can expand it. At the current moment, we are operating better than we anticipated for the beginning of the... excuse me. Pardon. Sorry. Better than we anticipated for the beginning of the year, or at the beginning of the year. And I want to commend all of you for... I'm sorry. Please excuse me, that might happen every once in a while. This conference room is fantastic. However, those flowers that are adorning the room are not great for my allergies. So apologies in advance if that continues to happen. I promise I won't let it distract any of us. As I was saying, our numbers are much higher than we anticipated at the beginning of the year. And we've continued to expand throughout the year, so I want to commend all of you for that. You truly did a remarkable job. And hopefully we can continue with that in the future. I would be very open and very willing to hear suggestions from any and all of you about ways you think we can... Excuse me. Ways you think we can increase our growth as a company. I know some of you have emailed me with your ideas. Some of you have come up and spoken to me in person. Excuse me. Some of you have come up and spoken to me in person. And I want to thank all of you for that. I really, truly do appreciate all of your input and your constructive criticism. Walking away from that for a moment, I'm discussing product development. We, oh, God, I'm so sorry. These flowers are aggravating me a little more than I thought they would. Oh, I'm so sorry. Sorry everyone, give me one moment. Forgive me, everybody. As we were talking about product development, ideally we would like to have our new products ready by the beginning of next quarter. Oh my gosh. So sorry, everyone. I can't seem to stop. I'm so sorry, everyone. I think I'm gonna have to have my assistant Benjamin take over. Benjamin is Benjamin, take over, please.